What is your name?
My name is Simran Kanodia.
Simran, can you speak English?
I can speak English.
Simran, first of all, introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm here to introduce myself. My name is Simran Kanodia. I'm 17-year-old.
Okay.
I belong to Farkhabad. I reside at Bewa Road, Bholepur, in Fatehgarh. Uh, I'm telling about my family. My father name is Mr. Bikram Kanodia. He is a businessman. My mother name is Mrs. Nitu. She is a perfect housewife. I have two siblings, one brother and one sister. My sister name is Ronak and she is studying in class 8th. My brother name is Viraj Kanodia. He is studying in class 5th. And I I tell something about my life goals. My first life goal is
Is to complete my education.
to complete my education, and my second life goal is um,
Is to get a job.
to get a job,
किसमें मतलब in army?
navy officer. I wanna be a navy officer.
Okay. So, can you speak English?
Yes, sir, I can speak English.
When do you speak English?
Whenever I get chance, I speak English.
And where do you reside?
I reside at Bewa Road, Bholepur.
Okay. What about your brother? What is he doing?
He is
Studying.
studying.
Studying. Do you get up early in the morning?
I get up early in the morning.
Do you know Taekwondo?
I do taekwondo.
What is Taekwondo?
Taekwondo is a martial art game.
Okay. So how many teams do you handle? Are you a captain of your team?
Yes, I am captain of Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao.
Okay. How many girls are there in your team?
15, 50 girls
Okay.
in my team.
Okay. So 50 girls are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what time do you go to Taekwondo practice?
I go to taekwondo practice at 3 p.m.
PM. Okay. Who is your Taekwondo trainer?
My taekwondo trainer name is Mr. Ajay Pratap Singh.
Okay. So did you participate in any competition?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Where did you participated? Where did you participate? आपने कहाँ participate किया था?
I participate in Bareilly
You
and
participated.
participated Bareilly and Nazibabad.
Okay. Did you win or lost?
I win.
I won. I won.
I won.
Okay.
I won bronze medal and silver medal.
Okay. So do you wake up early in the morning?
I wake up early in the morning.
What time do you wake up early in the morning?
I get up early in the morning at 6 a.m.
Okay. And what time do you go to stadium?
Yes, I go to stadium.
What time do you go to stadium?
I go to stadium at 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Yes, sir.
In which class are you studying?
I'm studying in BSc first year.
Okay. So from where did you complete your 12th class?
I completed 12th class GGIC Fatehgarh.
I completed 12th class from GGIC Fatehgarh. ऐसे बताइए.
I completed 12th class from GGIC Fatehgarh.
Okay. And what is your favorite teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Ravi sir.
Okay. So who do you speak English with? Who do you speak English with?
I speak
Who
I
आपने पढ़ा नहीं है ना?
who no sir.
मतलब किस किस अंग्रेजी बोलते हो आप? फिर I speak English
I speak English
with
with my siblings.
siblings. How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings.
Okay.
One
And what about your father? What is he doing? Is he serviceman or businessman?
he is a businessman.
Okay. And what about your mother? What is she doing?
My mother is a perfect housewife.
Okay. And speak something about England Institute.
England Institute director is Mr. Ravi sir,
Okay.
and he is a brilliant teacher.
Okay. Speak something about फरकाबाद. फरकाबाद के बारे में कुछ बताइए आप थोड़ा बहुत. First of all, what is Farkabad? Farkabad is a district.
Farkhabad is a
It
district.
is in Uttar Pradesh. ठीक है. It is a famous district for production of potato.
Potato.
बताओ. There is a river called Ganga.
Ganga.
ठीक है. There is also a fair called Ramnagariya.
Ramnagar.
It is very famous fair मेला.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. बताओ ये सब चीजें सारी चीजें. There is a stadium also in Fatehgarh, and lot of students, lot of people, lot of boys are going there
Going
for
to
doing the
stadium.
practice. ऐसे
Yes,
बताओ
sir.
थोड़ा बहुत. इसको prepare कर लेना फरकाबाद
Okay,
के
sir.
बारे में. ठीक है.
I prepared.
You will prepare. Okay. So, are you feeling agitation?
Yes sir. I am feeling hesitation.
Did you used to speak English before joining England Institute? Did you?
No
use-
sir. I did not used to speak English.
Have you started speaking English? Have you started speaking English? I have started
I have started English. Speaking English.
Can you prepare food?
I can prepare food.
Can you prepare chow mein?
I can prepare chow mein.
What is your favorite fast food?
My favorite fast food is momos and finger.
Okay. So when do you take momos? Well, whenever I get chance.
Whenever I get chance, I take momos.
But I think so that you should not take
Yes, sir.
momos because this is not good for your health.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you want to be an athlete.
Yes,
you,
sir.
you are an athlete and you are also a taekwondo trainer.
Yes, sir.
Guys, she is a taekwondo trainer. Okay, and she has won medals also. She has won bronze medal, na?
Bronze and silver medal.
Bronze and silver. And she was also SDM.
Yes,
She
sir.
became SDM for a day for Farkabad. For a day, she became a SDM. And she is also a trainer of Taekwondo. She is teaching around 50 students. 50 लोगों को ये मतलब ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं ये. बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ. शी इज द कैप्टन ऑफ बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ. Okay. So, how are you feeling after joining England Institute? How are you feeling after joining England Institute? कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा सर.
Well, I am feeling awesome
I am feeling awesome
after joining.
after joining England Institute.
Okay. So please put your hands together for her.